It's raining in Abu Dhabi right now. Oh, it's raining. Yeah, see. It's lagpas na po ng alauna. Nakauwi ko lang ng galing work. Ito nga umuulan. Kasalukuyang umuulan dito. Magka-taxi na lang ako umuwi. Pauwi pala. Paulit-ulit lang. Okay. How are you, my friend? What is this? Okay, wait. I have a vlog.